Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a very simple one. I'm going to be changing the shifter bushing and the lockout plate on my NC1's 6-speed transmission, and I'm going to be replacing the lockout plate with an aluminum piece that I found on eBay. So let's take all that out, get it on my workbench. I'll show you what I'm working with. Okay, so from Uroni on eBay, he was gracious enough to send me this kit, which includes a new shifter bushing and a new lockout plate. Specifically for the shifter bushing, this is going to fit the NC1 for my case, but he does offer the NC2, NC3, the Fiat 124, and the ND Miata. But in my case, for my NC1, I had to go with a specific bushing. Now, his bushing is going to resemble much more to OEM than like other brands, Beat Rush or 5X Racing, where they have a bronze bushing. Now, this resembles more of OEM because it snaps into the ball of the shifter, where the bronze ones kind of just fit loosely over the ball, and you're always going to have a little bit of play in there, and plus it can just completely pop out at any time. Where this one's snapped in, and you're going to have to use some sort of pliers or like a small flathead to pop this off. And also part of this kit, you get a new lockout plate, and it's not just any sort of lockout plate, it's anodized aluminum. So the wear characteristics are going to be a lot longer lasting than the OEM pieces. Now, I've already installed this on my shifter, so that's why you're seeing some of the wear. Going back to the OEM piece, this was on my car, you can see much more of the wear on both sides. Mainly the 1 and 2 side here plus reverse is very much worn. And this is going to be a brand new OEM piece here. I'm going to opt not installing this one, and I'm going to install the aluminum one plus the new shifter bushing. So I'm going to put this together. Snaps together, and when you have it in the car, you'll orientate it and install with the original 10mm bolts. It's always good practice just to kind of grease everything up. I have a little bit of leftover grease here, but I'm going to clean everything up and grease it up, and then slap it back into the transmission. Once you're back in the car, if you line up the dowels on the, if you can see them right there, it's right at the tip of the shifter. Everything should essentially just kind of drop in. Might have to wiggle it back side to side, just like that, and then replace your 10mm bolts. So here is the aluminum piece all installed on the 6-speed transmission. Slop is definitely a lot better than before. I know I didn't get a video of it, but definitely a lot better. Shifting feels good. As you can see, I greased up the spring. So yeah, everything's looking all nice and good. I'm gonna put the center console back together, and I'm gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna use my Meta glasses for some like kind of driving clips and give a review of how it feels while I'm driving. So I've had some time driving around with the new shifter bushing and the plate. Everything feels great. Everything's nice and tight. No odd rattles or anything. My second to third definitely improved, and I think it's because my shifter bushing, even though it was bronze, has worn out a little bit. So I'm kind of glad I'm back to like a Delrin / it snapped into the actual ball of the shifter rather than all the other ones on the market. You kind of just like, the ball just kind of just sits in there somewhat loosely. Maybe I had a bad one, who knows, but everything's really nice and tight. Super stoked on the product. Again, super easy install. Anyone could do this, and it makes kind of your quality of life a little bit better on the car. So yeah, nothing but great things to say about it. And that's about it for today's video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, I'm going to leave his information in the description below, and you guys can reach out directly to order. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.